Joe, it looks like you're up. Are you ready?
Yeah. Sorry, I've been a little distracted. I'm still a little bit working. There's issues. I want to sneak a song in here. This song is by the Pixies off of one of the best 90s albums from the 80s. There was a guy. An underwater guy who controlled the sea. Got killed by 10 million pounds of sludge from New York and New Jersey. This monkey's gone to heaven. 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 The creature in the sky got sucked in a hole. Now there's a hole in the sky, and the ground's not cold. And if the ground's not cold, everything is gonna burn. We'll all take turns. I'll get mine too. This monkey's gone to heaven. 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 Rock me, Joe. If man is five, if man is five, if man is five, then the devil is six, then the devil is six, then the devil is six, then the devil is six. And if the devil is six, then God is seven. If God is seven, if God is seven, this monkey's gone to heaven. This monkey's gone to heaven. This monkey's gone to heaven. This monkey's gone to heaven.
Hey, thank you. I love that song. That was great to hear.
I've never heard it.
Thank
I
you.
so wanted to
I
hear
love
it.
it.
Brad.
Bass though, because I knew that Mark was just
Yeah.
I'm totally singing along.
All right, when we're live.
Like, all over that.